My name is Bilal Ismail. I'm the Area Sales Manager for EKD Systems GmbH for Asia, except China. I'm Singaporean and I'm based in Singapore, supporting the region. I say again, the main purpose of a drag chain or cable carrier, the primary function is to organize, guide, protect and manage cables and hoses that needs to move in moving equipment. So cable protection is very important. Like I mentioned just now, the spine, the nerves, the spinal column is to protect the nerves. So the cable chain is to protect these cables, especially older machines, only power cables. Now modern machines, you have LAN cables, you have fiber optic cables, you have all these sensitive cables. So the role of the energy chain as a mechanical protection is also important. Next thing is the movement and the flexibility. So machines are becoming smaller and smaller and space is important. So every movement and every flexibility will depend on the type of cables that is being used in the machinery. So this is why we have a small cable chain like this. For a big cable chain, we even have bigger steel chains for different applications. Yes, again the 6 factor first and foremost. Once you've hit this 6 factor and you've selected the correct energy chain at the start, firstly you will have a prolonged cable life. So it's cost savings and also understanding the cable requirements. Secondly, and also most importantly, I mentioned just now, operationability of the equipment. The last thing you want to have is an unplanned downtime. So proper selection and using, the benefit will be maximum operationability, less downtime, right? So that's one thing. Another thing is, you design something, you want this thing to work as how you want to plan. So that will give you the proper extended lifetime of the equipment without having to have downtime. Then the enhanced system reliability. Also improved occupational safety, right? You don't want something running on top suddenly falling down on other people and all this. So it's again very important. Then lastly, energy efficiency, right? So if you look at the system for energy chain compared to this in big equipment, compared to the cranes where they're using cable railing drums or festoon system, all these things require a lot of structure to support it. When you can remove all this and have the chain on the ground just being pulled and pulled, you have reduced a lot of weight on the equipment. So you can use lighter structure, hence you require less energy to move, and all this means saving money.